Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Chris from Flores Media. If you saw the last video, I showed you guys how to use the sharpening tool inside Lightroom. Today, let's talk about the noise reduction tool inside of Lightroom, right? Let's dive right in. So I've got my image from last time that I showed you guys how to sharpen using the sharpening tool in Lightroom. And our process to noise reduction is gonna be very similar, right? So again, I'm gonna dial it all the way in. I'm gonna drop all these. And again, I'm gonna hold the option key on a Mac just so that we can see what's going on, all right? So we can see that it's kind of smudgy there. And if we keep dialing it in all the way, we got a little bit of detail coming back in. So right here, no detail, it's all kind of smudged away. Let's say for this video, we like that. And then the contrast, we're gonna bring back some of the differences that the noise reduction takes away. It's very subtle. It might not even be able to see it in this video, but if you look at the darker and lighter parts, you'll be able to see more detail come back out. And then again, just like last time, you got to dial it in. This is looking a little really soft, especially if I jump to 400. Look at how soft her skin looks. We got to bring it back down to where you're happy with it. Remember, a little bit of noise is not the end of the world. So right there, there's like no noise. Right there, I find there's like a pretty good balance between what we did and some natural noise, or call it 35. All right, so sharpening and noise reduction off. There's a lot more grain. Sharpening, noise reduction on, and there we go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are in the description, all right? Peace.